Turn a standard SATA motherboard connection into an external eSATA port. 18-inch SATA to eSATA plate. 6 gigabits per second eSATA port. Add eSATA port to PC. Internal SATA to eSATA adapter. Avoid the hassle of installing a SATA hard drive internally, by adding an external SATA port to your computer. Guaranteed reliability. Supports full SATA 3.06 gigabits per second bandwidth. The eSATA-PLT18IN 18-inch 1-port SATA to eSATA plate adapter adds external data support using an existing motherboard serial autocontroller. Simply mount the plate to the rear panel of your computer case as an extension of the motherboard SATA data connector, in order to add a port for connecting external SATA storage devices. Designed to take advantage of the increased data integrity provided by external hard drives or RAID devices that support eSATA connections, the eSATA-SATA adapter supports data transfer rates of up to 6 gigabits per second. Top reviews from the United States. A good alternative to USB. I use this alternative to USB, and it is faster than USB interface. Very easy to install. To connect a bare hard drive, you have to have a eSATA cable,